Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DeWalt Impact Driver is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools on the market, perfect for tackling a wide range of tasks from assembling furniture to constructing decks, and its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while its high torque output ensures that even the toughest screws and bolts are driven in with ease and precision, saving you time and effort on any project. Number 5. DeWalt Atomic 20V Ratchet, DCF 513B. This powerful cordless ratchet is engineered for high torque and versatility, making it perfect for a wide range of tasks. Its brushless motor delivers impressive power and efficiency. It delivers up to 70 ft-lbs of torque, easily handling various fastener sizes and applications. You'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. Its glass-filled nylon housing is built to withstand the rigors of daily use and resists damage from common oils and solvents. It's tough enough to handle any job site. It features an onboard LED work light to illuminate your workspace, even in dimly lit areas. This ensures precision and safety in any environment. Its compact design and low-profile head allow it to access tight spaces with ease. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. The variable speed trigger lets you precisely control the speed for optimal performance on different applications. You're always in control. It's compatible with all DeWalt 20V Max * batteries and chargers, making it a seamless addition to your existing tool collection. Battery and charger sold separately. A trigger lock is included to help prevent accidental activation, enhancing safety and control. It's designed with your safety in mind. What we like. It delivers impressive torque for various tasks and boasts a compact design perfect for tight spaces. The integrated LED light enhances visibility. If you need power and precision in confined areas, this is the tool for you. What people say. The first thing that caught my eye was the sleek and compact design of the DeWalt Atomic 20V. Despite its smaller size, it feels robust and well-built. The ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable hold, even during extended use. The tool's lightweight design adds to its maneuverability, making it ideal for tight spaces and overhead work. Don't let its size fool you, the Atomic 20V packs a punch. The brushless motor delivers impressive power, providing ample torque for a variety of tasks. What sets the DeWalt Atomic apart is its versatility. It seamlessly transitions between different applications, from drilling to driving screws with precision. The tool's adjustable settings allow for fine-tuning according to the task at hand, giving users greater control over their work. Number 4. DeWalt DCF 883B Impact Wrench. This is the DeWalt 20V Max cordless impact wrench. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for any job. It's only 5.7 inches from front to back and weighs just 3.4 pounds, allowing it to fit into tight spaces with ease. 3 LED lights provide shadow-free visibility, and they stay on for 20 seconds after you let go of the trigger. Changing sockets is a breeze thanks to its innovative hog ring anvil. It's quick and easy. The textured grip provides maximum comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Experience the ultimate combination of power and precision with this impact wrench. It's built to handle even the toughest jobs. What we like. This model is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. The bright LED lights illuminate your workspace. If you prioritize ease of use and portability, this impact wrench is an excellent choice. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max * 3/8-inch Impact Wrench Kit. Introducing the DeWalt 20V Max * Impact Wrench Kit. This powerful tool is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. Its compact design, at just 5.70 inches front to back, allows it to fit into tight spaces. Plus, it's lightweight at only 3.4 pounds, making it easy to handle. Equipped with XR batteries, this impact wrench provides 33% more capacity than standard packs. The fuel gauge lets you easily monitor the power level. The impact wrench features 3 bright LEDs with a 20-second delay after the trigger is released. This provides excellent visibility, eliminating shadows. The hog ring anvil makes it easy to quickly change sockets, saving you time and effort on the job. The textured, anti-slip comfort grip provides a secure hold, giving you maximum control and comfort during use. What we like. It's compact and lightweight, yet it features an extended capacity battery for longer runtimes. The LED lights are a great addition for visibility. If you need a long-lasting, portable tool for various tasks, this kit is a great option. What people say. DeWalt's unit is very compact is a big plus. The tool is very handy for working on cars, as the majority of sockets I use are 3/8. This kit comes with the battery charger and 2 batteries. This unit is the best 3/8 drive electric impact I have ever used. It has great power for the weight size of the tool and has remarkable battery life. I regularly use for fasteners up to 3/8 diameter and 10 mm diameter with no problem. Each nut came completely off the wheel stud in 2 to 3 seconds. This DeWalt made the tedious job of breaking lug nuts loose with a socket and breaker bar much simpler and faster. It made quick work of removing 4 lug nuts, and 1 wheel lock removed and installed by hand tools, on each of the 4 wheels on my vehicle. I was amazed as it made quick work of motor mount bolts as it usually takes forever with hand tools. The fact it comes with 2 4Ah batteries and charger is a major bonus. Number 2. DeWalt Atomic 20V Impact Wrench. It delivers up to 300 ft-lbs of max torque. That's the power you need to tackle even the toughest jobs. With 4 speed settings, it offers enhanced user control for a variety of applications. You'll always have the right speed for the job. Precision wrench control helps prevent over-tightening and fastener runoff, keeping your work precise and your materials safe. The onboard LED light with brightness control illuminates dark workspaces, ensuring you can see clearly and work efficiently. The hog ring anvil makes changing sockets quick and secure, saving you valuable time on the job. It features a timber screw mode, optimizing speed and performance when working with wood. Get the job done faster and more efficiently. Its durable, glass-filled nylon housing resists damage from oils and solvents, ensuring it stands up to tough job site conditions. It's built to last. What we like. This impact wrench offers superior power and control with its multiple speed settings. The LED light improves visibility, and the hog ring makes socket changes quick. If you demand high performance and versatility, this is the ideal tool. What people say. Great light and power for the size. I needed a compact impact and this is perfect for me. This is an absolute powerhouse. Combine this with a 2Ah power stack battery and you have a very lightweight, very capable package. Bought it to remove guards and smaller bolts up to 1/2 inch and have taken it way past that, including tearing down a Planet Gear Neptune Plus gear reducer. Have been absolutely impressed at the power for the weight and not terribly loud. It is a battery-powered impact and not by any means silent. I can't imagine a 3/8 drive impact wrench having more power than this unit. And, it's fairly well controlled. It's compact and not very heavy. Number 1. DeWalt DCF 913B Impact Wrench. This is the DeWalt DCF 913B, a powerful cordless impact wrench. It's designed for versatility and ease of use on a job site. It delivers up to 250 ft-lbs of tightening torque and 400 ft-lbs of breakaway torque. That's the power you need to tackle tough jobs quickly and efficiently. Its compact size makes it easy to access those hard-to-reach workspaces. You'll get the job done, no matter how tight the space. The hog ring anvil allows for fast and secure socket changes. This saves you valuable time and keeps you working efficiently. It features an onboard LED ring light to brighten up dark work areas. This ensures you can see clearly and work safely, even in low-light conditions. See how easily it handles various fastening tasks. Its power and compact design make it perfect for any professional. What we like. This tool delivers impressive torque while maintaining a compact size for easy access in tight spaces. The hog ring anvil allows for quick socket changes. If you need a powerful and versatile tool for various applications, this is a great option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.